Hey, welcome to this quick installation video of the app MailerCloud Actions Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and click on it. Click on Install, then you click on Allow and Install. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page. Search for the custom page of the app and click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its features such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video and the configuration walkthrough that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup. Let's walk you through how to connect your app. Click on the Start Setup and you will be required an API key to complete your configuration. Head to the account we've created online, click on your profile, then click on the account and click on the drop-down icon beside integrations. Choose API keys. Scroll down and click on Create API key. Give a name, click on Verify. When it's done verifying, click on Generate key. Then click on OK. Copy your API key, head back to your account, and paste. Click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with our expert team. We have the Changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the button, insert your email, and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.